This is a story of transformation. A home, once familiar, reborn to reflect the evolving needs and passions of its architect-owner, John. This refurbishment is more than just an update. It's a testament to the power of design to shape our lives. John envisioned a space for both connection and retreat. The study, a haven of rich timber warmth, embodies this perfectly. Here, light streams through a window seat reminiscent of Louis Kahn's iconic Fisher House design, a nod to John's architectural roots. The open-plan kitchen offers a dynamic counterpoint. Dark tones and concealed storage create a sense of focus on culinary creations. Here, function meets artistry, a testament to John's love for clean lines and surprising details. Even the smallest spaces are celebrated. The downstairs powder room features a salvaged tile from Japan, each imperfection a story waiting to be told. This attention to detail elevates the everyday. John's passion for art extends beyond a collection. This ingenious hanging system allows for a constantly evolving gallery, each piece displayed with care and ease. This refurbishment wasn't just about transformation, but coexistence. The three majestic elm trees, standing tall for centuries, became a design challenge and a point of inspiration. Their preservation ensures a connection to the past while framing a vibrant future. This is the third iteration of John's home over 3 decades. This time, the focus wasn't just aesthetics. Upgraded insulation and a new lift ensure functionality and accessibility for years to come. This home is more than bricks and mortar. It's a canvas for a life well lived. Every detail, from the handcrafted joinery to the curated art collection, tells a story. This refurbishment is a testament to the power of design to evolve with us, celebrating the past, embracing the present, and creating a space to thrive in the years to come.